The Eureka 3670H bagged canister vacuum delivers strong suction from its 12-amp motor, so it pulls embedded dirt out of carpets and rugs more effectively than many compact machines. Its canister body is very light, weighing under 9 pounds, which makes it easy to carry upstairs or move between rooms without feeling cumbersome. A generously sized dust bag of about 2½ liters means you can clean multiple rooms before needing to replace the bag, which is convenient for busy households. The long power cord and extension wands provide an impressive reach for cleaning high ceilings, curtains, and other distant spots without constantly changing outlets. Included tools like the crevice nozzle, dusting brush, and upholstery attachment handle everything from baseboards to furniture and car interiors, giving it real whole home versatility. The built-in blower function is especially handy for clearing debris in garages, workshops, and outdoor areas, adding extra value beyond standard indoor vacuuming.